Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto that is not on Coinbase. First, you will need to identify the specific cryptocurrency you are interested in acquiring. Next, research which reputable exchanges offer this particular asset for trading. Once you have chosen an exchange, proceed to create and fully verify your account. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure purchasing experience. Now, let's get funds onto your new exchange. Many users find it efficient to first buy a stablecoin, such as USD or UST, on a platform like Coinbase, then transfer it to the new exchange. This often incurs lower fees than direct bank transfers. Alternatively, you can deposit funds directly via bank transfer or debit card if those options are supported by your chosen platform. With funds in your account, you are ready to make your purchase. Navigate to the trading section and find the pair for your desired cryptocurrency, for example, altcoins/UST. You can place a market order to buy immediately at the current price or a limit order to specify a price you wish to pay. Once your order is filled, your new crypto will appear in your exchange wallet. After purchasing, it is highly recommended to withdraw your cryptocurrency to a personal, non-custodial wallet. This gives you full control over your assets, reducing reliance on the exchange's security. Hardware wallets, like a Ledger or Trezor, provide the strongest protection. Always double-check the recipient address multiple times before confirming any withdrawal to prevent irreversible loss of funds.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.